Hi guys. Okay, I'm not going to introduce myself because I actually just want to show you guys how you can mine different cryptocurrencies. So uh, I am creating this channel to share my experiences in crypto mining, and I am actually mining only using CPUs. I don't have a big graphic card or anything, so I'm just going to mine all the cryptocurrencies that we can mine uh, using CPU. Okay, my CPU is not that much powerful also, so I just want to get the experience of mining. So today I'm choosing a crypto coin that is Maxeter. Uh, this Maxeter, I think it's pronounced Maxeter. So I'm going to you crypto mine. I mean mine this Maxeter. Okay. So first for that I need a wallet. So actually this is a website, so I'm going to download a wallet, and also I'm going to download a mining software which is called Xmrig. So this Xmrig actually it is used for CPU mining. It's a software. It's actually previously I was mining Raptorium, and so I got a thought that why can't I mine every cryptocurrencies that are available for mining using CPU. So I am here. Actually, I am downloading all the softwares from scratch, so you can understand what am I doing. So what am I doing? I don't know. So I just want to learn how to mine different cryptos. Okay, that is what I am doing. Okay, so all these kinds of pop-ups are going to come, and you have to do exactly what I am doing. Okay. So now actually I am installing the wallet. So it is a core wallet. So it is going to use some space in your PC. So you have to download this wallet. Then only you can mine this cryptocurrency. After installing this software, your window will be showing like this, exactly like this, I think. Okay. Uh, so you have to hide that window, then you will get the message that it will take some time to sync the wallet. So this crypto, I think it has only been started recently, so it will only take less time. Okay, then we can hide that, and we can create a receiving address. Okay, so when you hide that, you will have a window like this. There you can see that there is a receive window. You have to click there, and there are also other options that I currently don't know. So I just want to know whether I can mine this cryptocurrency. So I am going to create a receiving address first. I am naming that address mining, just mining, and I am creating a wallet. So a window will pop up, like a QR code is there. This is my address. Okay, you have to copy that address, and you have to paste that address in the pool that I am using to mine the crypto. So you can see in the background, I have the pooled rplan.xyz. So that is a pool that I'm going to use for mining. And you can see a window here that is mining configuration. I'm going to paste you have to do exactly what I am doing there, and you will get a configuration message. So from that configuration message, you have to go to the folder Xmrig. There is a configuration file. So you have to edit that file. So previously I was mining Raptorium. So what I am doing is I am editing that file. Okay, okay, I will show you how to edit that file. Okay, you watch carefully. I'm going to edit that file. I am just renaming my old file because I don't want to lose that old configuration file. So actually the name of the file is config. So I am going to rename my old file, mm, and I am going to edit in a new file. Okay, I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to edit it in a new file. So in that file I have a portion there. You have to scroll down. Okay, and then you have to copy the URL. You have to copy the line after that URL. Okay, You have to copy that, copy exactly that pool address, I mean pool uh, server address, and you have to open the notepad. You have to open the notepad, and you have to paste it where there is that URL. In front of URL, you have to paste the uh, pool address, and it's that IP. I mean, it's not IP, it's port. That port, exactly that you have to paste it. Okay, so I'm mining from Asia, so I have given the mining configuration Asia Pacific. So I will get that configuration. So after that, for the user, you have to name, you have to give the address of your wallet, and then you can rename the worker, I mean user ID. You can I'm just naming it worker 1. Okay, that's the only thing that you have to do in the configuration. Okay, then you can also add other configurations also you can add. In later video I will show you how you can use different configurations in Xmrig. So for this you have to, I will also try to upload the configuration files text in the YouTube section comment, I mean the description section, so you can copy and paste it. Okay, then after that you have to name that file config, then run the software, that is Xmrig. You have to run the software. It will use the administration privilege, so that that is the sound they are asking for, administration privilege, and the crypto mining will start. So this mining uses the algorithm called the ghostrider, I think. So this ghostrider algorithm, there it is running there. So that is the algorithm that is used for mining this crypto, especially this crypto. So it has started mining. You can see it has started mining. I'm just checking the configuration file. There are also a lot of things you can do in this configuration file. So it has started mining. It is using 4 threads, and using 100% of my CPU power, only using a small bit of RAM, and you can see all that thing, and the pool it is connected to you rplan.xyz, and the port address is there. So it has been started mining. Okay, now I will show you the result. Okay, so it has been some time, and it is taking some time to mine. So it will take some time to get result. Okay, and you will receive a green message like accepted message in your crypto mining. And um, I am actually selecting the coins from this mine pool stats website. So this is a place where you can actually see a lot of crypto coins, and you can get the links for their websites, etc. So you can see that actually I am mining. So I am mining for some time, only not that much time, but only for some time. Okay, and yeah, you can see, you can see now that I am getting some result. Okay, you can always edit the configuration file. Okay, see I have got a result. Okay, I've got a result. Okay, one of my share has been accepted. So this is the result. So when you get a message like this, you can message that you can type R in the window, R for result. Okay, and then you will get a message like this result, and that's how you can mine a cryptocurrency. So you just try this out. Okay, and if you are getting any doubts regarding this, you can give it in the comment section. I know this is a fast video, and sometimes you have already seen, you know already this technique to mine cryptocurrency. So this is my experiences and my experiments in crypto to mine using CPU, and I am going to find different cryptos that we can mine using CPUs. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel, as well as you can comment. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.